Why should you record technicians' greet and presentation? Because the way that you get people to be successful is you measure behaviors that lead to results. You hold people accountable to the behavior that leads to the result, not to the result. Because once you get the result, it's too late. The behavior's already happened. So the reason you record technicians' calls, the greet and the presentation, is so you can listen today and hold people accountable to the behavior. You know, here's how you do the greet. I teach that. You got to measure it. So today we did 3 greets and they were awful. So now we need to do some coaching and some more training. And tomorrow we need to go out and execute better and listen and hold those behaviors accountable. So a system that ensures behavior occurs will lead to results. Results will manifest in time and space if you do that. If you don't know how to record all of this, I do this. I've got lots and lots of recordings you can listen to, but this is how people learn and grow. Tell them the new behavior, get them to do the new behavior. The new behaviors are really uncomfortable, but you have to listen and coach and train and mentor, and then remember from the last video, once they start doing the new behaviors, that new behavior forms this new identity, and then once they continue to grow further, the new identity forms a new standard. But always goes back to the expectation. We expect you to execute the greet this way, we expect you to execute the presentation this way, and the system ensures that those behaviors happen. Hey, I hope this helped you, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.